Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. So today's concept is what is integration testing, how many types of integration testings are there, and how we can do the integration testing without having two modules. Okay, these are the main interview questions today we are going to discuss. Okay, what is integration testing? What is integration testing? Testing the data flow between two modules. Testing the data flow between two modules is called as an integration testing. Suppose we have two modules A and B. We are checking that the data flow between A and B and A. Either A is sending the data or B is receiving the data. That is called as an data flow between two modules. Okay, so integration testing, when they ask what is integration testing, you have to say only one line. Testing the data flow between two modules is called as an integration testing, or you can say testing the data flow or interface between two modules. Okay, now what are the types of integration testings? Okay, what are the types of integration testing? There are two types of integration testing. One is incremental integration testing and second one is non-incremental integration testing. Okay, so first I will discuss what is incremental integration testing. Okay, before that I will explain you. Suppose the interviewer asks, tell me the example for integration testing. You can just give a simple example. I will tell you. Okay. Suppose you are the person, you can name it as A, and take another your friend. Assume that he is a B or she is a B. Okay. Send 100 rupees from your account to your friend's account. Okay. So you are sending 100 rupees from A account to the B account. Okay, so you will go to the ATM and you will click on the amount transfer and then send the 100 rupees to the B. Now this is the first scenario. Now log out from the A. Now log in from the B. Log in into the B and check the amount balance. Check either amount from the A has been deposited or not. Okay, so this is the second scenario. Now third, you have to check, now log out, and you have to check the transaction details of A and B. From A account it should minus 100 rupees from the balance, and for B account it should add 100 rupees in the balance. So these are the three scenarios. This is a data flow between A and B. Who is receiving here? B is receiving the money from A and A is sending to money to B. So this is a data flow between two modules. That is termed as an integration testing. This is a simple example of integration testing. Now if they ask, tell me the different types of integration testing. So you can just say the incremental testing and second one is a non-incremental testing. What is incremental testing? Testing the data flow between two modules. Okay, and if it is working, then add module and then test the data flow between, again same as procedure. Okay, so you are going to add the incrementally modules one by one. Okay, so this is termed as an incremental integration testing. Okay, and what is non-incremental integration testing? Non-incremental integration testing we are doing when there is a complexity in the project. Okay, there is a no incrementally adding the models, they are adding randomly. So okay, so first of all I will tell you the types of incremental integration testing. What are the types of incremental integration testing? So there are two types of incremental integration testing. There's a first one is the top down incremental integration testing, and second one is bottom up incremental integration testing. So these are the two types of incremental integration testing. So you have to, now first I will discuss what is top down incremental integration testing. We are testing the data flow from parent to the child We are testing the data flow from parent to the child. That is the top-down incremental integration testing. Top-down means what? Who is the top here? Parent. And there is a down here is a child. So we are going to test from parent to the child. Okay. So I will tell you the definition here for the interviews. Top-down integration incremental integration testing is defined as testing the data flow between the modules. If it is working fine, make sure that adding module is a child of previous module. Okay, adding module is a child of previous one, means child of parent, or if the child 3 is a, then it is a child of child 2. Okay, this is a top down incremental integration testing. Now what is bottom up incremental integration testing? In the reverse order, testing the data flow from child to the parent. Now child 3 will come, child 2, child 1, and then parent. Now same definition, testing the data flow between modules, two modules. Okay, and make sure that adding module is a parent of previous module. Okay, this is a simple definition you have to give. Okay, now uh, if you want the example for that top down and bottom up, you can comment below, or you can go to the Facebook page mentioned in the channel description. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share it to all your testing friends and also IT friends, because they also know for while developing, uh, they can find the bugs by doing this stage for the startup companies. Okay, fine. I hope you enjoy what is integration testing, what are the types of integration testing, and what are the types of incremental integration testing. Okay, so now I will discuss you what are the what are, what is the approach to write the integration test cases. How to